guys, this is Chinmay, you're watching TechFolk, and today in this video I am going to do yet another wireless earphones unboxing, and this time they are Noise Tune Sports earphone. And this is exclusively the first ever unboxing of the new TuneSport earphones on YouTube. As Noise has just renewed their brand, so they have made some tweaks in these TuneSports earphone. So let's get started. As you can see on the top of the box, there is branding of Noise and earphones with picture. In front there is a flap from where you can see the first look of the earphones themselves. After sliding it up, at the top you get some paperwork or warranty cards securely packed in a packet. Then in the pouch you get the micro USB cable to charge the earphones and some extra ear hooks and tips. Now taking a look at earphones, they are pretty good but do not feel of high quality. Of course they are offered at really reasonable price and we can see that they have cut some corners in the design. Anyway, I will just pair them with my phone, use them for some times and get back with my initial thoughts. Okay, so talking about as always design first. I will judge them considering the price at which they are offered. So in terms of build quality, they are decent in my opinion. The plastic used feels soft and pretty good, but the quality of wire is decent. Of course it is not braided, but still it does not feel hefty and strong. Earbud casing is also made up of plastic, but still it's okay for the price. Earphone hooks are attached to them, which will help to keep them on their place. The fit provided was pretty good. I had to change ear tips to small ones to make them fit my ears, but I have used them for 1 hour or so and I did not felt uncomfortable. Length of wire is really good and do not come directly on the face. The earbud casing has a magnetic attachment which will help to keep them on place. Talking about physical overview, all the controls are on right side. One thing which I want to tell is when you will first time try to find charging port, you will not find, so it's on right side and it was very tightly packed, so it creates some difficulty to open every single time. Just a little thing that I wanted to clarify. I will not complain about having a micro USB port because it is accepted at this price segment. Now talking about buttons, they are a bit confusing, so let me tell you. First button is used to increase the volume and skip to the next track. Next button is multifunctional button, also used to turn on or off the earphones. Then the next button is to decrease the volume and skip to the previous track. And the last button is to activate voice assistant, and it works really well, so good job Noise. And there is a white color indicator which helps to know that whether the earphones are turned on or off. The left side is clean. They are IPX4 rated, so it can handle some splash of water. Overall, the design is really impressive for the price. So in terms of connectivity, they have Bluetooth version 5.0 which they have upgraded from the last version of TuneSports. I did not face any hiccups while listening to song and everything was smooth. They got paired with my phone quite faster than I expected. But remember that feature that I told you about magnetic attachment of earphones? Well, they do not come with the feature that the music will stop after attaching them like the Oppo ones. And actually I was not expecting this feature because at the price tag of $899 we cannot complain. Talking about range, I have tested it by keeping my phone in other room and I went to another room. So there was some distortion faced when I went to another room, so it is quite okay in terms of range. There is no issue in terms of connectivity and range that I faced. First let's talk about call quality. I haven't attended any calls with these earphones, so I cannot judge about call quality because I haven't used them for a long time. For this you have to wait for my full review. But talking about sound quality, well, here I have some mixed feelings. Talking about highs, they were okay. Mids and lows were good as compared to highs because at the max volume they were getting distorted, so I would recommend to use them at 80% volume. The thing which impressed me was its bass. It was really thumping and I just loved how it produced the perfect amount of bass. Of course, they are my initial impressions, so for more detailed sound quality test, you have to wait for my full review where I will explain the sound quality with the help of some good and popular soundtracks. So subscribe for that. But in initial impressions, they have impressed me with the bass which they produce. In terms of battery, the estimated hours claimed by the company is 4 hours, which is decent, as I haven't used them for a long time, so I cannot conclude about battery life. So wait for my full review. So long story short, if you are a bass head and want a good sounding earphones with great bass, then Noise Tune Sports are for you. There are some good options like Mivi Thunderbeats which are priced similar, but I picked them because Mivi ones were bigger and heavier for me. That's pretty much for this video guys. Leave a like, share this with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.